10 foods that help you live longer. In the absence of the elixir of youth, eating well will increase your life expectancy. Here is a list of the best foods to maintain your figure and slow down your aging. Guaranteed. 1. Garlic protects the cardiovascular system. The benefits of garlic have been known since antiquity. The Egyptians already used it to cure hypertension and headaches. The antimicrobial and antibacterial actions of garlic are very beneficial for the human body, helping it to age well. It also protects against digestive cancers and contains vitamins A, B, C and E that strengthen the immune system. To avoid bad breath after consuming garlic, you can let it marinate in olive oil beforehand. 2. Dark chocolate is the gourmet's antioxidant. Too sweet, too fat, dark chocolate is often banned during diets. Yet it is excellent for your health. Recently, a study by Harvard University concluded that the consumption of dark chocolate boosts life expectancy. Indeed, this food is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants beneficial to the cardiovascular system. Of course, you have to be reasonable and avoid abuse. Chocolate is, indeed, one of the most caloric foods. 3. Olive oil has an anti-aging virtue. A symbol of Mediterranean cuisine, olive oil accompanies all the good dishes. And that's good, because it increases longevity. It contains oleic acid, which lowers the level of bad cholesterol in the blood. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, this oil hydrates the skin and slows down its aging. It is also an excellent remedy against pain, coughing and even hangovers. 4. Red fruits color your diet. While they bring a touch of color to your desserts and a lot of flavor, red fruits also allow you to age well. Strawberries, grapes, blueberries and gooseberries contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that keep you toned. In addition, their natural pigments, pink, red and purple, are excellent antioxidants. Red fruits slow cell aging in both internal and external skin. Among the red fruits, the cranberry is one of the most effective antioxidants. 5. Onions help against infections and osteoporosis. It brings a delicate aroma to your salads and your culinary preparations. A low-calorie food, the onion is very rich in trace elements, minerals and water. It improves transit, reduces urinary tract infections, and prevents osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. In addition, it increases longevity. Indeed, its antioxidant properties make it possible to slow your aging. In this area, the red onion is the most effective in increasing your life expectancy. 6. Citrus fruits are essential tonics. Lemons, oranges, mandarins and grapefruits are rich in vitamins A and C, but also in fiber and minerals, as well as in antioxidants. In short, citrus fruits are concentrates of vitality that boost the immune system and increase life expectancy. Their daily consumption makes it possible to combat the action of free radicals and cellular aging. Citrus fruits also protect you against cardiovascular diseases and digestive cancers. 7. Algae are great against cancer. Very present in Asian cuisine, algae are renowned for their many virtues. Remarkably rich in vitamins and minerals, algae tones especially the elderly, children, as well as lactating or pregnant women. In particular, they make it possible to combat hypertension and tumors, particularly thyroid cancer. They are, therefore, an excellent ally for aging well, whether consumed raw or cooked. Do not wait any longer to put yourself in the kitchen with algae. 8. Tofu makes your skin firm. Tofu, like other soy products, contains collagen and isoflavones that make the skin firm. Excellent for your figure, tofu is also rich in minerals, essential fatty acids and vitamin A. During menopause, it helps the body withstand the decline in estrogen. In addition, it lowers the bad cholesterol. Although soy is now controversial, it remains an excellent food for a longer life. The Asians, who hold the record for longevity, are proof of that. 9. Aromatic herbs boost your memory. Even though each herb has its own properties, all herbs are known to fight tumors. Chives, basil, mint, and rosemary are rich in antioxidants and slow cell aging. In addition, aromatic herbs enhance memory and help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. 10. Nuts keep the skin young. Nuts are full of omega and other unsaturated fatty acids essential to your health. Their anti-inflammatory properties make it possible to fight against cutaneous defects such as acne or eczema. In addition, nuts, hazelnuts, almonds or pistachios contain plant sterols that lower cholesterol, which increases your longevity. They are also rich in vitamin E and in antioxidants, which make it possible to fight effectively against the free radicals responsible for the aging of your cells.